Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about SQL constraints example. The SQL constraints are used to specify rules for the data in a table. If there is any violation between the constraint and the data action, the action is aborted by the constraint. Constraints can be specified when the table is created or after the table is created. In SQL, we have the following basic constraints. Not null indicates that a column cannot store null value. Unique means ensures that each row for a column must have a unique value. Primary key, a combination of not null and unique. So primary key should be not null and should be unique. Ensures that a column have unique identity, helps to find out the particular record in the table quickly and easily. Foreign key ensures that referential integrity of the data in one table matches the another table. For example, student, you have and student address. There are two tables. You can have an association between these two tables so that whenever I want to find out student, I can also get the student address. So you can use foreign key for that. So let's see an example so that you can understand. I'm going to create table student, and with 7 columns. The second column is very important. I'm going to mention a constraint here. Not null is a constraint I'm going to use here. So last name, I don't want to accept null value for last name. So whenever the developer creates a row for this last name, row in this student table, I'll check whether they are giving last name as null. If they are giving null, I'm going to ignore and I'm going to abort the action. Okay, let's create this table with this constraint, a simple constraint, so that you can understand. So looks like this table is created, and if you see here, I'm going to insert a student record with null value. The second column is last name. I'm going to insert last name as null. Actually speaking, this should throw an error to us. It should say the column last name cannot accept a null value because there is a constraint we have added. We are saying to the table, whenever a null is inserted, just ignore it and abort it. So a column last name cannot accept a null value. So this is the proper insert statement. I am not passing a null value, I am passing tvit. So this query should be executed properly, and we should be in a position to see the row created. Yes. So I've just explained you not null constraint. There are other constraints as well. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.